Hello. So today we are going to learn about creating email through Claude inside Clay. So let's just dive into it. First step is to create a column for an AI. And you can do that by clicking any column you are on, go to insert one column on the right, use AI. Once you have used AI, this pop-up will appear and then you can write in the prompt here. I'll show you the more details about it. So I've already created a Claude prompt over here. Let's just click on edit column so you can see what's happening inside it. So this is the prompt. I'll share the prompt with you on the school channel. You can just access their various types of prompting available. You can copy and paste the prompts and adapt according to your needs and just create your email sequences. So over here, it is creating the subject line and the first email based on some personalization factors which we have already created. These are the inputs going to the agent, the Claude agent, to find information and then be able to create a subject line and an email body based on what we need. So every prospect is going to get a personalized email rather than a generic or templated email, which is not happening anymore because of strict policies of Google and Outlook. If you're sending templated emails, your account will immediately get blocked or flagged, and all your emails will start going into the spam. To avoid that, you have to be very careful in drafting the emails. Every prospect has to get a unique email, so all those spam filters will get bypassed because every email looks as sent by a human with a well thought out research. So this is the Claude prompting running, and based on that, we have the JSON output. Just to be sure, just to be like clarified on what kind of output we are looking for. All these templates will be available in the school community, so you can just copy and paste it, and you don't have to work much on that. And once it is generated, you can just click on the response and see this is the email copy it has generated, and these are the subject line it has generated. Based on the subject lines, you can choose which one you like and utilize it for your purpose. So you can see the review. This is the subject lines. Every subject line is different. Every email is different and unique and personalized according to the prospect. It's not a generic email. For example, over here you can see this company launched its platform in April, and this company is hiring for Flutter and a full stack developer at the moment. So everything is going in a nice manner, in a unique manner. And once it has been generated, then we ran another Claude prompt to get follow-up email because we want it to be very specific. So we created another follow-up email which is based on the email one and some more information that we have previously collected on personalization triggers. And then the follow-up email is created, and it's created the same way. And every email again is different. So if we go on, just click on edit column, you will see the prompt here. So it is generating a follow-up emails. It's different from the prompt that you saw in the first one. And now we're just doing it for follow-ups. It is also creating a subject line and a follow-up email. And based on that, we are sending it to instantly to send out the emails. So this is about how to generate an AI personalized email using Clay and using Claude agent inside Clay. Let me know if you have any questions.